Welcome to Vicinity Software, the trusted partner for food processors looking to revolutionize batch manufacturing operations. In today's fast-paced world, managing hundreds or even thousands of formulas can be overwhelming. That's why we've created a centralized solution that stores all your recipes in one secure, easy-to-access location. Imagine a world where your inventory is always up to date, your staff is on the same page, and you're never left guessing if you have enough ingredients to meet customer demand. With Vicinity software, you can achieve real-time visibility into your inventory requirements, utilizing the native MRP tools, ensuring you're always prepared to deliver high-quality products on time. Our system handles the intricacies of formula production, adapting to various batch sizes, ingredient qualities, production schedules, and multiple facilities. With Vicinity, every batch is a masterpiece. Say goodbye to the limitations of Excel spreadsheets and the frustration of data silos. Our comprehensive software integrates every aspect of your operations into a single, unified platform. With accurate, centralized information at your fingertips, you can make smarter decisions faster, keeping your business agile and competitive. One of our standout features is seamless integration with Microsoft Dynamics. This connection delivers a comprehensive ERP solution that grows with your business, making your operations more robust and efficient. At Vicinity Software, we're more than just a software provider. We're a team of experts dedicated to your success. Our experienced implementation team and top-notch support mean that when you work with us, you'll know your team by name. We pride ourselves on solving problems and building lasting partnerships. Join industry leaders who have already discovered how to turn batch processing challenges into a recipe for success for food manufacturers. Vicinity Software, software fit for flavors. Visit our website to learn more.